What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So tomorrow is Abraham Lincoln's birthday, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make what was supposedly the one meal Abraham Lincoln liked to eat, a chicken fricassee, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, well, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 13.5 ounces of vegan chicken, 3/4 cup of mushrooms, 3/4 cups of water, half a cup of diced onions, 1/4 cup of diced celery, 1/4 cup of plant-based milk, 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, 4.5 teaspoons of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of parsley, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, as well as 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan chicken fricassee. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.